Good morning all of you. Now we will start exercise 10.6. 10.6 is again very easy as the concept is only subtractions. You just have to subtract the given values. So A part, subtract the following. This part you have to do on your books. So the first question is kilometers and meters. How many kilometers? 139 kilometers, 72 meter, 100 kilometers and 218 meters. So first of all start subtracting. 12 minus 8 is 4, 6 minus 1 is 5, 10 minus 2 is 8, 8 minus 0 is 8, 3 minus 0 is 3, 1 minus 1 is 0. So your answer is 38 kilometer 854 meters. क्या करा है? Simply हमने subtraction. Second part you have to do by yourself. I am doing the third part. 5 minus 5 is 0. अभी हम 7 4 में से 7 तो सब्ट्रैक्ट कर नहीं सकते. 14 minus 7 is 7. 11 minus 6 is 5. 14 minus 5 is 9. 14 minus 6 is 8. 10 minus 7 is 3. 0 minus 0 is 0. So answer is 389 liters 570 milliliters. Clear बच्चे? Now the B part is subtract 118 meter 75 centimeter from 310 meter 53 centimeter. This part you will do on your fair notebooks. हमने क्या करना है? 118 meter 75 centimeter को किसमें से subtract करना है? 310 meter 53 centimeter में. One thing that you always have to keep in your mind is कि जो मीटर के साथ सेंटीमीटर वाली वैल्यू है वो उसी के साथ आएगी. आपको ऐसे नहीं कर देना कि 75 बड़ा है तो ये ऊपर चला जाएगा. स्टेटमेंट में 310 के साथ क्या था? 53, तो वो वैसे ही आएगा. और 118 के साथ क्या था? 75. क्लियर? फ्रॉम के बाद वाली वैल्यू हमेशा टॉप पे आएगी. क्लियर? सो 13 minus 5 is 8. 14 minus 7 is 7. 9 minus 8 is 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. 2 minus 1 is 1. So your answer is 191 meter and 78 centimeter. Clear? Now the second part is 571 kilometer 296 meter and from 892 kilometer. इसमें आप मीटर वाली वैल्यू को क्या ले लोगे? 0 0 0. Now come on the third part. Third part is subtract 336 162 ग्राम from किसमें से subtract करना है? 815 किलोग्राम 475 ग्राम. So 5 minus 2 is 3, 7 minus 6 is 1, 4 minus 1 is 3, 15 minus 6 is 9, 10 minus 3 is 7, 7 minus 3 is 4. So our final answer is 479 kilogram 313 grams. Clear बच्चे? Also check the second part as it is little bit different because we have to subtract from 892 kilometer. अभी उसने हमारे को मीटर वाली वैल्यू नहीं दी हुई. It means हमारे पास किलोमीटर्स 892 complete है and meters में we have zeros. So simply subtract 10 minus 6 is 4, 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 2 is 7, 1 minus 1 is 0, 9 minus 7 is 2, 8 minus 5 is 3. Simply meters के नीचे हमने क्या सपोज कर लिया? 3 zeros. So our final answer is 320 kilometer and 704 meters. Now the fourth and fifth part you have to solve by yourself. I am doing the sixth part. So sixth part is we have to subtract 317 liter 346 milliliter from 978 लीटर एंड 5 मिलीलीटर. मैंने यहाँ पे 2 zeros क्यों डाले? क्योंकि नीचे वाले स्टेटमेंट में 3 डिजिट्स थे. सो 5 को मैंने क्या लिख दिया? 005. 5 minus 6 15, 15 minus 6 is 9, 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 3 is 6, 8, 7 minus 7 is 0, 6, 9 minus 3 is 6. So your final answer is 660 liter and 659 milliliter. Now the C part is find the difference between 527 किलोमीटर 66 मीटर्स एंड 450 किलोमीटर्स. जैसे हमने B के सेकेंड पार्ट में करा था, इन द सेम वे वी विल डू द C फर्स्ट पार्ट. So here we have which value is greater, 527 or 450? 527 is greater na, so we will keep it at the top. Now see, 527 किलोमीटर 66 मीटर 450 किलोमीटर. अभी इससे 450 किलोमीटर के साथ हमारे पास मीटर वाली वैल्यू नहीं थी, so we write zeros here. 6 minus 0 is 6, 6 minus 0 is again 6, 7 minus 0 is 7, 12 minus 5 is 7 and 4 minus 4 is 0. So your final answer is 77 kilometer and 66 meters. Clear? Now come on second part. Now the second part is 628 kilogram 231 gram and 882 kilogram 158 gram. Which value is greater? You have to select that which value is greater. जो भी आपके पास बड़ा यूनिट है, बड़ा यूनिट है इस किलोग्राम और ग्राम, किलोग्राम. सो किलोग्राम में जो बड़ी वैल्यू है वो आप ऊपर रखोगे. सो 882 किलोग्राम 158 ग्राम, 628 किलोग्राम 231 ग्राम. Now subtract both the values. 8 minus 1 is 7, 5 minus 3 is 2, 11 minus 2 is 9, 11 minus 8 is 3, 7 minus 2 is 5, 8 minus 6 is 2. So your final answer is 253 kilogram and 927 grams. Clear? Now the third question is 98 centimeter and 5 millimeter, 85 centimeter and 8 millimeter. So now we can't subtract 8 from 5, so write it 15 minus 8 is 7, 7 minus 5 is 2, 9 minus 8 is 1. So our answer is 12 centimeter and 7 millimeter. In this way you also have to do the fourth part of this exercise. So this exercise is very simple as the concept is only subtraction. Hope the concept is clear to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.